subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Health benefits of winter melon. Number 1. Detoxifies your body. In the traditional medicine, the winter melon is often used as diuretic, which can help to detoxify the body. The process of urination eliminates the excess toxins, fats, salts and water from the body. So any vegetables that can induce that detoxification will help your liver and kidney perform at an optimal level. Number 2. Boosts metabolism. Enriched with vitamin B2, this vegetable is the safest way to boost your metabolism. Your metabolism has a core purpose, that is to convert consumed nutrients into effective energy. Apart from this, it impacts and balances the hormones as well. Therefore, eating winter melon can provide a high amount of vitamin B2 to your body. Number 3. Boosts vision. Winter melon is highly rich in vitamin C, which is very beneficial for our eyes health and prevent various types of eye-related issues such as cataract. Vitamin C present in winter melon is a strong antioxidant which prevents the oxidative damage to our eye cells. Thus prevents the macular degeneration, which is the main cause of vision issues such as cataract. Number 4. Keeps stomach free of ulcers and intestinal parasites. Winter melon helps fight against the formation of ulcers in stomach and intestine. It acts like an antimicrobial agent and it helps clear off harmful bacteria in the intestine and stomach. Winter melon helps keep gastrointestinal infections and thereby indigestion at bay. Number 5. Improves cognitive function. The significant level of iron found in winter melon makes it an ideal solution for increasing circulation to extremities of the body. Iron is a key component in the production of red blood cells. So when you have more iron, you have better circulation of fresh, healthy and oxygenated blood. This means that the winter melon cannot only protect against the symptoms of anemia, but also ensure proper blood flow to the brain, which can increase concentration, focus and memory. Number 6. Protects the heart. Potassium and vitamin C are found in abundance inside the winter melon. Therefore, it is a tried and tested protector of one's cardiovascular well-being. Potassium acts as a vasodilator and helps to lower the blood pressure by discharging tension in the blood vessels and veins, letting free flow of the blood in the body. This makes it very difficult for the heart issues to crop up and decrease the risk of coronary heart ailment. Besides, vitamin C present in winter melon is known to reduce chances of a heart stroke. Number 7. Stimulate growth and development. Vitamin C has many vital roles for our bodies. It can help in the production of the collagen, which can help to build healthy blood vessels, muscles, tissues, cells and bones. People who are in their development ages should add winter melon in their diet. Also, if you are recovering from illness or injury, then you can also add this vegetable into your diet. Number 8. Prevents constipation. Winter melon is rich in dietary fiber and other nutrients that aids in digestion. Fiber-rich foods helps to make the stool soft, bulky and easier to pass through the intestines. This helps in the promoting regular bowel movements and in preventing constipation. Number 9. Weight reduction. Winter melon contains a very low calorie content but with many nutritional benefits. When consumed in raw, it makes you feel full and satiated, which makes you eat less and also energize as well. This dietary meal is perfectly good for you if you want to improve your metabolism and maintain or lose weight. Thank you for watching.